Hi there, I got this garage door rollers as a gift. Let's open the box, show what they look like, and then we're going to take them outside and show you installation process. It comes in a pack of 10. The rollers made out of nylon. You get a pack of 10. It's enough to replace every roller in your garage. They feel really smooth. So we're going to replace this roller right here in this garage. Should be a pretty straightforward installation. So actually you only have to remove 2 screws to remove this roller. That was going to be all 4. And that's 1. Takes about 30 seconds per roller to replace. So 10, it's only going to take a couple minutes. Let's keep working. Yep. Works perfect, just the way it's supposed to. Can barely hear a garage opening now. Real nice rollers.